Deleting a list in Trello requires archiving it, as Trello does not provide a direct delete option for lists. Here's how to remove a list step by step. Open the Trello board. Navigate to the board containing the list you want to delete. Archive the list. Locate the list and click the three dots in the top right corner of the list header. From the drop-down menu, select Archive this list. The list will disappear from the board but is not permanently deleted yet. It's moved to the Archived section. Delete the list. To permanently delete the archived list, click Show menu on the right-hand side of the board. Select More Archived Items. Locate the archived list under the Archived Items section. If deletion is supported, there may be an option to delete permanently from here. Note that Trello's native platform does not offer permanent list deletion directly. Extensions like Butler or third-party tools may be required for full deletion. Alternative workaround. If deletion isn't essential, archiving serves the same purpose of clearing the list from view without impacting your workflow.